Did you know graphite is conductive? That means you can draw your own circuits. In this activity, let's draw our own instrument and hook it up to Makey Makey. We're going to leave what you draw up to you, but we still need to follow the rules of a circuit. We have to remember that a circuit must complete a circular path, that electrons will always take the shortest path, and that if we want to use Makey Makey, we always have to have an earth connection and a key press connection. Using your Makey Makey optimized pencil, make sure to make 4 separate drawings that do not touch each other, because remember, if they touch, that's going to close the circuit. Make your lines dark and thick, and make sure you can draw all the way to the edge. At the edge, draw a wider line at your paper so that you can alligator clip to it. And if you need to, use an eraser to separate the connections for your drawing. Now we're ready to alligator clip to each separate drawing. You can always remove the plastic around the alligator head so that you have a really good strong grasp with your alligator clip. If you need to, draw more graphite and then clip your alligator clip directly onto the drawing. Now you could hold your earth connection, but we drew the center as earth, which is our ground that completes the circuit. So now our finger is the bridge that completes the circuit as it touches both drawings and completes the loop. Now that we know our circuit works, let's try some other Makey Makey apps. Be warned, extended usage may lead to creative confidence.